Chicken pasta salad, loads going on in there. Beautiful stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So anything goes in this really. I've got there some pasta, cooked pasta. I'm using this farfalle. You can use any type you want, like a penne or something like that. About 4 cups there. 2 cups of cooked chicken. That chicken is actually from a video I done of a overnight garlic lemon chicken. But yeah, you could just boil some chicken breast and chop it up. Parmesan cheese, about 1/2 cup. Cup of tomatoes, red beans about the same, cucumber about the same. Then I've got some green onions or spring onions, olives, and some bell peppers. You can put anything you like in here really. We're just going to give that a quick mix first. Okay, so nothing to it. Mixing bowl, got the pasta in there. Let's get our cooked chicken in. When you could do this with tuna, I suppose, or something like that as we wanted. Some green onions, bell pepper, nice bit of sweetness. I'm using black olives, of course you could put some green in there. Tomato, cucumber, and I'm using some red kidney beans. Then the Parmesan cheese. Give that a mix. Then we can get a nice little dressing made for this. So I've got 1/2 cup of olive oil there, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and then I've got some mustard there. I'm using a whole grain mustard. There's about 2 tablespoons there, or 1 heaped. What we're going to do is give that a little mix with some salt and pepper. Job done. Very simple. So I've got those ingredients in a bowl. Little pinch of salt, little pinch of pepper. If you want, put some garlic in there. For me, I'm just going to go like that. Keep it nice and easy. Little mix up, and that's going to be beautiful on that pasta with the chicken. Little mix, job done. And say anything goes in this. If you want, you can get some hard-boiled eggs in here or something like that, or put some fresh parsley or fresh basil in there. But yeah, that's it. Easy peasy, lovely. Job done. So easy, so tasty. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.